I, like David Auxier Loyola, also went for the first part of the title. I didn't really get to the songs by Candor and Ebb. I only looked at When I Go, I'm Going Like Elsie. So I followed the theme of mortality. And yeah, and I'm sorry to be the party pooper of the second act, but I went to the place going to talk about death, and that brought me to the Irish, who have a kind of poetic near love of death in the character. And I have an example here. This is from a poem by William Butler Yeats. It's the last stanza, but it kind of has that Irish lyricism and really way of looking at death that's poetic but actually not maudlin. Oh, what a sweetness strayed through barren Thebaid, or by the Mareotic Sea, when that exultant Anthony and twice 1,000 more starved upon the shore and withered to a bag of bones. What had the Caesars but their thrones? So the poem is called Demon and Beast, and it's from 1921, which would be just following the Irish Revolution for independence. The song I'm going to sing was written in 1914, leading up to World War I and then those troubles, also turbulent times in Ireland. The words are by Percy French and the music by Houston Collison, and it is entitled McGuire's Motorbike, a Tragedy in 4 Acts. It was Mick McGuire made it, all alone and all unaided, for I tell you that a brainy boy was Mick. And for devilment and murder, faith, you needn't look no further than the motorbike he called the Kill Me Quick. Oh, the gear case was a kettle made of good Britannia metal, as good as you would buy in any shop. And when once you got it going, faith, there never was no knowing where McGuire's motor bicycle would stop. Ow! But the bike's all right. Not a bit it mattered, for the bike's all right. And none the worse for wear, the bike's all right. The rider, he was shattered, but the bike's all right. So McGuire doesn't care. Act 2, 'twould come whizzing round a corner, and before you'd time to warn her, 'twould be through some poor old woman like a knife. And Flynn, the undertaker, said to Mike, that was the maker, that he never was so busy in his life. Mick would lend it to relations from whom he'd expectations, and to folks for whom he didn't care. And then Mike would say with sorrow, there'll be funerals tomorrow. And it somehow always happened that there were. But the bike's all right. His uncle tried to cycle, the bike's all right. And none the worse for wear, the bike's all right. The money went to Michael, but the bike's all right. So McGuire doesn't care. Act 3. They tried him for manslaughter, but the case would not hold water, for McGuire proved an alibi each time. And not a one could shake him, and devil a one could make him in any way accessory to crime. They were getting quite alarmed, and so a plot was formed. A conspiracy they thought would never fail. So they sought the level crossing when the 9 o'clock was passing. And they laid it gently down upon the rail. well, the bike's all right. The 9 o'clock was scattered, but the bike's all right. So McGuire doesn't care. The town was in a fury, for at the next grand jury they were fined for an attempt to wreck the train. And out of the entire lot, 'twas only Mick McGuire got away from out the court without a stain. And so they formed a meeting for the purpose of debating a way to keep the cycle off the shelf. So at last it was decided and assented and provided that McGuire takes a ride on it himself. The bike's all right. McGuire tried to ride it. Oh, the bike's all right. Just as it was before. The bike's all right. They buried it beside him. The bike's all right, but McGuire, he's no more.